So I'm back again at Goals Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, but this time I'm here to meet the infamous Miss Aesthetic Styles, who is currently inside getting a consultation done. So I'm running a little bit behind. I want to jump in there on with her. I'm super excited. And she trusted my guidance and heard what I had to say. She even watched my consultation, which if you haven't seen it, it is right here. Make sure you look out for that video. It's down in the description box below. But enough of me rambling about it, because I gotta get on side and see what they talking about. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go.
The aesthetics, that's just the after effect forest with the stretch marks and stuff like that?
Yeah, so aesthetics we do every eyebrow, all the massages post-op and everything is aesthetic. So if you don't have any questions about like something like the Voskin peel or like eyebrows or whatever, then yeah, you're good to go.
And also, the far as the LIPO is concerned, each large area is $1,500.
That's correct.
So that would be like a large area here, legs. But the 360
is everything
is all around here, and that's one price at $4,000, and that's a special?
That's a special. That's actually over on October 15th.
October 15th, it will be ending?
Yes.
Okay.
Just, we're opening our own. Everything, all the surgeries will be done here October 16th.
Oh yeah, the new Harlem facility. Yeah.
And what is the regular price when the sale ends for the 360?
For the 360 is $5,000.
$5,000. And Dr. Voskin, which is Dr. V, he's the one who just do straight, no sales.
No sales.
So if you want him, you're going to pay regular price.
Yes.
Hear that, everyone? Regular price for Dr. V. Oh yeah.
He the man, he the man.
Yeah, right. Also, if you want to do the aesthetics, that's downstairs, and that will be including like the eyebrows, any chemical peels.
Yeah, we have all that.
Okay. And the chemical peels, do they actually peel your skin with that laser? Or is it more like a treatment?
They do. I think it's a treatment that they do.
Is it a one-shot deal, or is it like you come back?
I think it's some sessions that you get to do. The front desk tell you that if you do leave a review, you get free laser.
Oh no!
It's like the whole Brazilian, everything. They would
Oh,
take care of it.
Brazilian.
Yes.
Oh,
not just a small area.
Okay.
But it's not a Brazilian wax. I'm sorry, Brazilian laser.
Oh, Brazilian.
Oh, because I remember the first time I ever caught myself getting, and y'all better not laugh at me, a Brazilian wax. I ain't even let her finish it. I was looking like a chemo patient down there. She ripped it.
Oh.
Then she went to do the other side. The damn wax was still stuck with the thing you ripped. I told her, leave it. No, I went somewhere else, but I told her, just leave it alone. I'll cut it off.
Yeah.
I went home and I soaked it in the tub and I cut it, took the scissors and cut.
So with this laser,
Is that gonna hurt?
it's like rubber. Yeah, you know how when you get flaked with a rubber band, like it feels like that because it's gonna keep doing that. But the good thing with it is probably depends on how thick like for you.
Okay, great. I'll get right on that. Okay.
Yes, definitely. So when you go to Google, just type in Goals Plastic Surgery, and then it'll give you the option to go to our reviews and just leave us a review.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
What's your name, sweetheart? My name's
That's
Imani.
fabulous, Imani. I love her so much. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous though? Aww, she's the best. I tell y'all all the time, when you come here, she gonna take good care of you.
Absolutely.
I'm here so much, they might as well add me on payroll now. I'm not playing.
I'll see you on the 16th. All right, baby. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Oh my God. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, that was cool.
Where is
And pricing.
So, you excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Oh, she's leaving. Let me get out her way.
So yeah, we was just here at Goals, and I got my consultation. They gave me a good options to do 360, large arm.
Not with the BBL.
Not with the BBL.
Nah, she's
no
just gonna do the
booty needed
LIPO.
here.
She's gonna give it to me. That's okay. I'm gonna take it.
Yes, so the options were really good, and they offer you a time to come back. So if you want to get more than one area, you can always come back. And the reason why is because they're very safe conscious here. They don't
that's what I love about them. They very safe conscious. They break everything down. I'm happy that she had a good experience. here because I was talking about it so much, and I'm glad she experienced exactly the same as I did. So we're excited. I mean, I ain't got nothing good things to say.
Come and get your consultation, and it will amp you up to really get it done. If you're considering it, and then you come here, you're gonna actually want to do it. That's how I am. So expect to see me here summertime 2019, my year.
Oh, dolls, on that note, this is now going to conclude the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly.
Bye, dolls.
Later, dolls.